Question number 13 sa math talk series natin, and this is an example of an age problem. So Anna is 5 years older than Beth. In 3 years, the sum of their ages will be 41. How old is Anna now? A 15, B 18, C 20, D 23. In solving for the age problem, you must identify first yung mga characters. We have Anna, si Beth, and then yung kanilang ages in 3 years. So we have to identify Anna is 5 years older than Beth, followed by in 3 years, they will be both be 3 years older. So yan, i-identify din natin. And of course, the sum of their ages in 3 years will be 41. So this part, their combined age now must be 41 minus 6. Saan ko nakuha ito? This is the combined age of Anna and Beth in 3 years. So 41 minus 6, that's 35. Anna's age now be X since Beth is 5 years younger. Her age is now X minus 5. So kung nakikita ninyo, meron na tayong equation. X si Anna and Beth is X minus 5 equals 35. Combine lang natin. X plus X, we have 2X, and then magta-transpose itong si 5 dito sa kabila, and that is from negative to positive. 35 plus 5, we have 40. Kung dito sa part na to nakarating kayo, you need to divide both sides by 2. So 40 divided by 2, X is equal to 20. Therefore, sagot natin dito ay Anna's currently age is 20 years old, and that is letter C po. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.